In front of me is iPhone 16 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. All you need to do is go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Privacy and Security. Following that, tap on Location Services over here and use the switcher next to Location Services to switch them off or on. If you decided to disable them, you need to confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!